Imagine a massive arena in the heart of Rome, so large it could welcome more than 50,000 people, echoing with cheers, music, and excitement. The Colosseum wasn't just a building, it was a masterpiece of Roman innovation, culture, and public life. But beyond its stone arches and grand design lies a deeper story, one of engineering brilliance, civic pride, and cultural influence that still fascinates the world today. Why did the Romans create such an enormous structure? And how has it endured for nearly 2,000 years? Today, we explore the secrets of the Roman Colosseum. Welcome to Global History Hub. Today we uncover one of history's most fascinating stories that shaped the ancient world, the Roman Colosseum. Stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss the important details. Construction began under Emperor Vespasian around 70 CE and was completed by his son Titus in 80 CE. It was built on the site of a former lake from Emperor Nero's palace, symbolizing that Rome was returning valuable space to its citizens. Its original name was the Flavian Amphitheatre, after the dynasty of its builders. What do you think motivated the Romans more, displaying their achievements or offering a shared space for the people? Constructed with concrete, travertine stone, and advanced engineering techniques unique to Rome, could accommodate 50,000, 80,000 spectators in a carefully designed tiered system. Contained underground passages, hypogeum, for organizing performers and stage preparations. Featured a retractable roof covering, velarium, to provide shade for the audience, a remarkable achievement for its time. The Colosseum became a center for public events, community gatherings, and large-scale cultural performances. These occasions were not only meant for enjoyment, but also reflected Rome's ability to plan, organize, and execute grand civic projects. Most importantly, access was often free to the public, showing the bond between the rulers and the citizens. If you lived in ancient Rome, would you have wanted to attend such large community events? Or would you have preferred quieter gatherings? Seating arrangements mirrored Roman social order, leaders and officials close to the center, citizens further back. This design revealed how Rome valued hierarchy, but also how it brought diverse groups together in one shared space. The Colosseum stood as a symbol of unity as well as structure in Roman society. Over the centuries, the Colosseum endured natural wear from earthquakes and time. During the Middle Ages, it was repurposed for various uses, including housing, workshops, and community activities. Many stones were removed to build other structures in Rome, yet the central framework of the Colosseum survived. What amazes you more? The Colosseum's original design, or its ability to stand for nearly 2,000 years despite so many challenges. Today, the Colosseum is one of the world's most visited monuments. It reflects not only the innovation of Roman builders, but also the endurance of human creativity. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it continues to inspire architects, historians, and travelers from around the globe. And if you're enjoying this journey, give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. The Colosseum may once have hosted lively gatherings, but today it speaks to us through its arches and stones, reminding us of the greatness and resilience of civilizations. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Global History Hub and click the bell icon. That way you will never miss our upcoming history explorations. Thanks for watching.